If you've never traded another block, this is one for you to try today, and it has the potential of giving you over 60 pips with a risk-reward ratio of over 1:3. So if you're ready for it, then let's give it a try. And this can be found on EURUSD. So last week on the EURUSD, on the 4 hours time frame, we saw a sweep of buy-side liquidity over this high. So we had this high here, and the market rallied up and swept the buy-side liquidity over this high, and then dropped again with this displacement candle, followed by another displacement candle. That was a sign that we had institutional traders entering into the market. Whenever you see large displacement candles like this, that is what it signifies, the institutional traders coming into the market. And we also have a fair value gap between the lower wick of this green candle and the upper wick of this red candle. So we have a fair value gap, which also entails that some orders are yet to be filled. And again, we saw a break of the structure right at this point with this displacement candle. These are the 4 conditions that must be met in order to identify another block. So the first was the sweep of liquidity over this high. Second was large displacement candles being displayed. Third was a fair value gap being printed, which the market will naturally go to fill. Then the fourth was a break of structure. So we've got all these 3, and then the market dropped to this very level. So when the market closed last week, opening this week, we saw a gap up. So we saw a weekend gap here, and the market has since been moving up with this gap here to be filled. The other block is exactly from the body of this green candle to the upper wick of this green candle. So I'll mark it out, and that is where we'll be looking for entries to sell towards this previous low that we have right here. So remember, in my previous video, I made us understand that the EURUSD is nearing the point where we may experience some bullish actions. But right now, this other block will offer a sell opportunity down towards this previous low. So let's mark out the other block so that when we get to the 1 hour time frame, we could look out for place to place our order. Right, so here is the other block that the price will be heading to, just above this fair value gap that we have here. So when we get to the 1 hour time frame, we'll see exactly where we'll be looking for short position towards this low. So here is the 1 hour time frame, and we can see very clearly the sweep of liquidity we talked about on the 4 hours time frame. So this was our previous high that we had here. The market rallied back just above the previous high and took liquidity, and then dropped back into this area. And when the market dropped back into this area, we actually have a fair value gap above here, but a very more conspicuous fair value gap is the one that is right here. And then the market continued dropping, and we saw a break of structure here. So there was a break of structure at this point. The market continued down to this area. So right now, the market is returning back into that other block we identified on the 4 hours time frame. Then on the 1 hour time frame, we are seeing the fair value gap here and another fair value gap here. There we can sell and put our stop loss just above the other block. Now, for better context, you can add your Fibonacci retracement tool to ensure that that is also coinciding with premium zone on your price chart. So now we've added our Fibonacci retracement tool from this swing high to this swing low, and then we can see that this other block coincides very well with the premium zone. The premium zone is from this 50 to 100. Selling around this 78.6% Fibonacci will be a good one. If the price gets further into this area, that is even a better one. So our other block is between 1.1417 to 1.1435, just about 17 pips. So there is an opportunity in the market to trade another block. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and if you like the content, kindly hit that subscribe button. Ensure you engage with the video by liking the video, sharing the video, and turning on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video.